outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. No, no. A cold winter night when lights are low, the treetops are covered up in snow, and I always miss you so. Know that it's Christmas time again. The reindeer are rushing side by side, and Santa is going for a ride. But it's you I'm longing for. I feel that it's Christmas time again. Missing all these little things that we used to do. Everything was so much better back then, when we wished upon a star and our dreams came true. How I wish you were here when it's Christmas time again. It's Christmas time. The silence on every empty street, when families are gathering to eat, then I always miss you so. I know that it's Christmas time again. Alone here, right by the fireplace, I dream that smile upon your face. Only you I'm longing for. I feel that it's Christmas time again. I'm missing all